You got a lower ball joint here. I'm going to show you how to use these snap ring pliers. Snap ring pliers, you got the two holes here. All you're going to do is stick your ends right where the snap rings are. Make sure they go inside. Squeeze. And it expands it just like that. Now if you want to, you can put the snap rings back on there. Or you could just go ahead and just pry it off from this point. And just watch out because it will pop off. There's your snap ring. Easy peasy. Now what we're actually going to do, we'll hit this from the bottom with the hammer to get the ball joint out that way.